Are you ready to start finally using the law of attraction to start manifesting those things that you are wanting into your life? Well, today I'm going to share with you my step-by-step process so that you can finally start manifesting anything you want into your life a lot easier. Step 1 is deciding exactly what you want. Be specific. It is a whole lot easier to manifest. Manifesting moving to New York City, getting into a specific college, getting a certain job in a certain field, a specific company, making a lot of money, traveling to Europe with your friends in the summer, than it is to say, I want to manifest travel, I want to manifest success, I want to manifest wealth. It's good to know what feelings you want that are attached to that goal, but you also want to get specific so that you and the universe can actually start making a plan. Step 2, visualize what that looks like. Like literally, what does it look like? It is so much easier to actually see yourself in the shoes that you're trying to fill than to just hope for the best and start working towards it. And it's actually proven that your subconscious does not know the difference between imaginary and when you're looking at something in real life. There was a study that I looked at today where they took 2 groups of people. One of them, they had them imagine that they were playing the piano and get really visualize it, and the other group just actually played the piano. They did brain scans on both groups, and the brain scans came back the same for all of them. So what I'm saying is, when you are visualizing, you are showing your subconscious what that looks like, what it feels like, and it can actually start matching you with opportunities and looking out for opportunities that makes you get towards that. When you visualize something, I typically want to feel it. I want to see myself in it, and I want to feel it, and I want to cry, and I want to laugh. I want to visualize it so in depth that I am so pumped by the time I'm done. Say you're visualizing something that makes you feel really successful and really happy. Your brain's like, oh my gosh, I love the way I felt during that visualization. I'm gonna start looking for more opportunities every single day that help me feel that more often. So it starts to bring you to things that you need to get to that dream life. Visualization is key. It's probably my favorite thing when it comes to law of attraction. And if you're not actually sure what your dream life looks like yet, don't worry. I have tons of vision board and dream board videos that can really help you out. I will link my favorite one with Amber Scholl down below. Number 3, this is a cheesy one, but know your why. You are gonna be thrown hard times, and it is going to get tough. It is not always gonna be easy when you're trying to manifest big things into your life. I'm sorry. The good things in life don't always come that easy. And I think it's a really bad stigma that a lot of people think is that people that talk about law of attraction and manifesting think that it's visualizing and a leprechaun shows up and gives you a $20 check. When I see people talk about it that way, I'm not gonna lie, it makes me mad. I'm because I really want you to learn how to use the law of attraction, and I really want you to manifest things into your life. I don't just say that because I'm trying to throw you a gimmick and I want you to watch my videos. Sorry. I literally want you to achieve your dream life because you deserve it, and everyone deserves to be happy. I don't want to get emotional, but when those hard times come, because they will come, it is going to be hard work, it is going to take some time to get what you want. Knowing your why is going to go a lot farther than most things. If you follow me long enough, I have not had an easy life, okay? I have struggled so much. I lost my mom 4 months ago. I grew up in and out of child services. I'm not going to go into the full scheme of things, but there have been times when I had 30 cents in my bank account. So I know what it's like to have hard times, but I also always had this serious why of why I was working for these things, because I knew that I wanted a new life for myself. I wanted to help my brothers financially. I wanted to help them get out of this, generational trauma pattern that we'd been in. I wanted to move out of my home state and have a new life for myself and experience things that I hadn't got to experience and help my family do that. And that why took me a lot farther than anything else. You have to know why you're doing this, because it's gonna be tough sometimes, okay? So please know why. And if your why is because your parents are telling you need to, or because society is telling you that you need to, that is not gonna be good enough. You have to know why you want it. And if you can't think of that, sometimes that can be an indication that what we want isn't our true thing we're trying to manifest. So that is a good sign to get into your intuition, meditate, figure out exactly what you want so that you can find your why that's gonna carry you straight to your manifestation. Number 4, make a plan and take action. Inspired action, I have an entire video on that I can link down below. But you have to understand that if you do all of the things and the universe brings you all of these amazing opportunities, but you don't act on them, they become amazing missed opportunities. That is why it's called the law of attraction. Action. It's in the name. You gotta make a plan and you've gotta take action. That seems like a small step because I said it so quickly, but it's actually probably the biggest one and the one that you're gonna do the longest. Number 5, work on your subconscious belief. We manifest from our subconscious. Who you really think you are, what you really think you're worthy of, what you truly want. That's why I talked about, really knowing what you want when you figure out your why. Because if you deep down don't think you're worthy of the things you're trying to manifest, it's gonna be really hard to get it. If there is a baker that makes the most amazing cakes, but he thinks his cake is awful and all he does is talk bad about it and complain about it, I'm probably not gonna wanna try it. Even if it's the best, I don't want a slice. But if there's someone that's like, no, my cake is the best, it's gonna taste so good, you're gonna wanna take a bunch of slices home, you're gonna wanna use this for all your future endeavors, I'm gonna wanna try a slice of that cake because he believes in himself, okay? So you have to believe in yourself. Like attracts like. So if you want more of the good things that you want in life, you have to become the person that can attract those things. So if you're super negative and complaining all the time, then find things that make you more happy and more feeling your self-worth. Now, obviously you're still gonna have bad days. You're a human, that's normal, we all do. Totally normal, but you wanna deep down still know that you're worthy of your dreams. So try meditation, journaling, therapy, that's a big one. Surrounding yourself with people that make you feel good about yourself. Whatever it takes to finally realize your true worth. Noah and I actually really love positive affirmations. I have a whole video on Charlie Rocket, who's big on affirmations. I'll link it down below. But he has a famous one that's, I'm on a winning streak. All the time he tells himself, I'm on a winning streak. Even during bad things, he's like, I'll get a cup of coffee and it's wrong. I'm like, oh, here's a cup of coffee, I'm on a winning streak. Like, you know, I woke up this morning, I'm on a winning streak. Someone opened the door for me, I'm on a winning streak. And slowly he's reprogramming his subconscious to feel like he's always on a winning streak. Number 6, trust the universe, enjoy your life, and be patient. Not everything is gonna come to you like that. There were times when I really thought I was just obsessed with moving to New York City, and you can't obsess with it. You have to just trust and let go. I was so obsessed with trying to manifest moving to New York, and eventually we were like, it's just not happening. You know, we'll do it one day. We kind of let it go and just enjoyed our life. And then like literally within a few months, Noah got a job offer that moved us to New York City, and now we're here. And it worked out perfectly in perfect timing. Trust that the things that are coming to you will come to you in perfect timing. You have to enjoy your life along the way and just be patient. If you are obsessed with it and stressed out all the time, it's just gonna cause a lot of resistance for yourself that makes it a lot harder to manifest the good things into your life. So have a little fun, eat the cake, hang out with your friends, watch Love Island, do whatever it takes to just enjoy where you're currently at. Okay, I am currently actually sweating. That's where I'm at because I can't run the AC when I'm telling you these things. But I really do hope you enjoyed this step-by-step process on how to manifest anything into your life using the law of attraction. If you want to see any more detailed breakdown type videos, I will leave all the ones I have down below. Let me know in the comments, what is it that you're trying to manifest into your dream life? Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my videos, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.